Hello and welcome to the Brown Bag Gentleman. Today I am doing an unboxing video for a package I just received 5 minutes ago from Phoenix Artizan Accouterments. Small little box. Not really shaving products, but I thought you might be interested in it anyway. So let's open this up. Here. Okay. Keep calm and shave on. Yeah. What's this? Oh, it looks like a postcard on top. I've got a couple other postcards that came in packages from them hanging here in frames. Yeah, it's a postcard. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to read it without glasses on. That's just not going to happen. Foam stuff here. Got a few. Oh, it's a free sample. Smells good. I got a free sample that came in the package. It's obviously an aftershave. Aftershave cologne is called Malbodge. Oh, that smells kind of nice. Let me open that up. Oh, that's a nice scent. I'm trying not. I just had a cigar, so I'm trying not to have the cigar influence as well, but it is a little bit. So I can't give you an honest opinion of this right now, but what I can smell smells good, but I'm also getting a little cigar smell too from my hands. So it's like, yeah, it's kind of tainting that. So from when I get through this, it smells wonderful. So we're going to try that, obviously. Now I got a few things. Oh, what's this? Okay. Yes. One thing I get from Phoenix, and I also get from Sterling, are shaving pucks. I haven't used a shampoo in over a year, so I get shampoo pucks. So I like to try different scents. Every time I order some, I order different scents. Oh, that's not bad. This is Awesome Sauce from Phoenix Artizan Accouterments. Of course, they make the shaving soap and the aftershave and everything else in that. And that's supposed to be a homage to the green, Proasso green. It smells nice. Smells really nice. Wow, yeah. To me that smells better. I also got. I got 2 shampoos, and I had to try. No, what's that one? Awesome Sauce, and this one's clown fruit. Just because it's October, it's supposed to glow in the dark and turn lights off. Actually, I didn't. It hasn't actually. It's not going in the dark. So I just took it out of the box, so it's not going. It needs to be exposed to light. Let's do this. I'm curious now. Let's put it on the light bulb. Is that enough? Will it work? Nah, not gonna work. Okay, not gonna work. Nice scent. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna like that too. The product I really am intrigued to try is the Cube Degreasing Shampoo. So it's a cube. So unlike the pucks around, this is a cube. And what is that, about a 3 ounce cube? It looks like about a 3 ounce cube. Yeah, that looks like about a 3 ounce cube to me. I don't know what you think that is, but maybe, no, actually maybe 4 or 5 ounces. Comparing it to the size of that. Yep, I think it's like, comparing it to the size of the left of my 5 ounce pre-shave. Yeah, I'm going to say it's the same. So that's probably a 5 ounce cube for degreasing. This basically is using pomades and what have you, which I do. I did not wash my hair today. So this is just, it's Saturday. I let it go. I didn't shave today either. So yeah, tomorrow, Sunday, I'll be doing all that tomorrow. But I wanted to try this to see how it does, to take some of those, because some of those pomades take some effort to get out of your hair. I've had to wash my hair like 3 times with some of those really greasy ones to get them out of your hair. So I'm interested in see. I'm going to purposely, I think, try. Well, let's see what I got in my shampoo. I got to go through what I have in there now. I got some other samples in there now. So probably in a couple of weeks, I'll try this, and I'll make sure for prior week I'll use some really the greasiest things I got for pomades, and give it a real workout. So I'm interested to try that. I'm intrigued. And of course I needed, you see this, it's getting, I mean, I've still probably got a month's worth still out there. It doesn't, I mean, I've had this for a while. I like it as a pre-shave every day. Every day I use that as a pre-shave. Well, every day that I'm not showering first, to put it that way. So I take it back. It probably gets used a few times a week. But we got the new 8-ounce version. Oh, I think the same thing again. Oops. So it's bigger. Throw that in there. It says the cube. So compared to this, yeah, you see it's 3 ounce bigger. Still fits on the little tray, you know, that I purchased also. Here's the tray. So this is the tray I bought for the original 5 ounce cube, and here's the 8 ounce cube, and it fits nicely. So yes, I now have a replacement for this, because when this gets down to basically half that size, I'm probably going to chuck it. When it gets too hard to work with and you're fidgeting, when you say, yeah, I don't have the patience for that. So let's put this back in here now. And there's no scent. It's a scentless. Okay, you can either get a mentholated or not, or not. I don't do menthol pre-shave. I only do menthol post-shave. For me, it just doesn't work pre-shave. The coolness pre-shave, it just tends to clog my pores and stuff. So my skin, so that's just the way I am. So that's what I deal with. But I thought you might be interested in this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. And we'll be shaving soon. Go with God.